Okay guys, today I'm gonna let you know like how you can use NLP and NLTK library. I will not go like in the much deeper like, but I will just tell you like that will be enough for you to start working, because if I tell you everything at once, you'll just confuse. Rest apart, you can just Google it like how to do this, like when you know the basic stuff. So what we will be needing is Pip Install Nltk. So you have to install this library Nltk. You can see it. I've already installed, so it will just show me like requirement satisfied. Yeah, okay. Then after that, it is not fully installed, so you have to like import Nltk Nltk dot download. You have to download it. Now let me just run it. Python. My file name is app.py. You can have whatever, you know the drill. Can't open app. Sorry. cd then stop. Yeah, just run it. It will take like about 1 minute, and it will open a window. Let me just show you. Just wait for 1 minute. You can just go to their document page and see like how the use library. It's very beautiful written. Still running. See, it's still running. We just do it NLTK Python. And don't go like they have an official website and just know how this thing works. It takes time generally, so you have to wait for the time, just maybe 1 or 2. So you can see their documentation. They have like introduced like how to use NLTK very well, and this is all of it. You can just go there and watch it, and you can go like other sites also. mm, like this Python programming, it's like you can go here also. It's maybe of just not getting the programmer name. Yeah, you can just go there and watch how to do stuffs. Okay, it's open. So see, you have to like download all of it. Like I don't know you really need all of it or not, but yeah, generally how people work is just download all packages and download or whatever. If you have a if like I have already installed it, so yeah, it's maybe showing. You have to download all of that. You can refresh it. So it will take generally hours. Maybe I have done it like about 6 months past, so I didn't remember. So it generally take hours. So you can just download it. So after downloading, you can just go back and let me just tell you other stuff like how to do when it's finished downloading. Now you don't have to write NLTK download again and again. It's just for the one time. Now let's just start from the first from NLTK dot tokenize import word tokenize comma sent. See, these two things, word tokenizes the word, like splits the word, and sentence tokenize splits sentence. Let me just show you an example, then you'll definitely understand. Like I'll just take a text here. Hey, how are you? When are you coming? I'm waiting for you. Yeah, this is like it. Now I'll just do what I'll do, like print. No, let me just do like result tokenized. Yeah, tokenized equals to word tokenized text. Then see what I'm doing, I'm taking a text, then passing the text in the word tokenizer function, and saving in tokenized. Now I'll just print it. Nice, and you'll just know what it's doing. Just wait for 1 minute. Yeah, see, you can see easily it had splitted all the text, like say hey, and it is like hey, like it's returning a list. How are you, question mark, when are you. So it has splitted all the text. Now let me just uh, do the sentence. It will now, as the name suggests, it will tokenize sentence. See, is tokenized only. I am naming is tokenized one and printing tokenized and tokenized one. It also returns a list. What? What I'm doing wrong? Okay. Not throwing an error or oh, I haven't saved it. That was I was like wondering why it's not working. And not throwing an error also. See, it has made a list and tokenized all the sentences. See, hey, how are you is like one, like it has put in like one. When are you coming? And it has put when are you coming in one, and like I'm waiting for you, and so it's like a normal list. You can just let me just show you the normal list. Like I'll just do like for I in tokenized. I'm looping in tokenized print I. You can see it like it's we'll just print all the words here and the question mark dot. Yeah, see, hey, then how, then are, like the same way. So it was like a word and sentence tokenizer. Let's move forward, and I'll tell you like stop words. Sorry, let me just confirm NLTK dot corpus import. Yeah. So generally stop words are those words like you generally don't need that, like a and the from is, or like they are like don't make any sense, so you just remove that words. Let me just show you. So stop words, let me just uncomment it. Yeah, so let me just delete this here. So I'll just like stop words equals to top words, like I'm telling like I will use English. 1 minute is wrong. Okay, so we'll just start with like a stop words. Something happened to my system, sorry. Yeah, so we'll like we'll do from NLTK dot corpus or whatever it is called, I just don't know, import top words. Okay, so we'll like we'll take a text. Now take a list of words. We'll say words. We'll say words equals to a, how are you, when, let me just make it short, going London, going London. Okay, so the you can like you will make this word with the help of word tokenized first. So I'm just taking directly. Now you'll just do like for I in words, if I not in stop words, print I. And one thing more, mm, yeah, we'll just make an instance of it. Stop words equals to stop words dot words. Okay, we'll be using like English, so we'll just tell like English. Sorry, English, yeah. So it will like first take the English words, and it will just loop in these words and check if these are in stop words. If this they will be in stop word, it will just like reject it and just loop again. So you'll just know how it is working. See, it has printed only hey going London, because how are you is totally irrelevant, and when also irrelevant is just printing going London hey. So like these are important words. You can like add more words to stop words. Like these are the important words like someone wants to use. You can just let me just show you after printing. Print stop words. Yeah, this is just a normal list of words. Mm. See, these are the words that normal I, me, my, myself, we, are, ours. Like they are not really important in our. You can just append to these any word that you think is unimportant for your data. You can append it in here, or can remove also if you think they are like really important for your data. So yeah, so these is the stop words. Now we'll just go to lemmatizing. No, not really lemmatizing, stemming. So what does stemming do? Like you have loving and lovable, but both mean the same thing, like love only. So what stemming does, it just changes to like both the words into love only. So you will end up having only one word of same meaning. So you just don't get two words of same meaning. So yeah, that's the like stemming. Let me just show you how it will work on nltk.stem import portal stemmer ps equals to, yeah, we'll just import poster stemmer and like make a instance of it. Now we'll just make words equals to loving, lovable, fielding, being. So you can see let me just clear, you have to run like word tokenize first on your sentence, so it will just chunk into like words, different words in a of list. Then on that word tokenize you have to like run everything. So I have just directly made a list of words. Now I'll just do like for I in words, yes dot stem I. Let me just print it directly. Yeah. Now you will see how it will just clean all the data. See, love. Oh, sorry, I have misspelled lovable here. Then see, fielding is being converted into feel. Being is converted into be. Loving is converted into love. So that's the basic intuition of that, like how the stemming work. So yeah, so let me just now go to the another thing, that what is called frequency distribution. Frequency distribution, as the name suggests, just count the number of same words repeated in a document. Like man is repeated 18 times, Google is repeated 20 times, or whatever the word in your document. So for that we'll just like import NLTK. Now we'll just make instance of it. Wait, list equals to NLTK dot frequency distribution. And yeah, so now let me just take words of list. We'll take men, comma men, women, and parents, parents, whatever word you have. I'm just taking random words, whatever coming to my mind. Yeah, so like it will now when you will do this and you will just pass it here, so it will return a lab dictionary. So you loop into that dictionary. In you know how to loop in dictionaries and all, so you must know if you are watching my tutorial about NLTK. We'll just do print I. Let me just, it's fine. NLTK, see, men is two words, like men. Woman is one because one, parents is two, like parents, and petrol is one. Yeah, see. One thing more, NLTK takes time. When you, if these are so small datas, when you like run on like big pages or whatever your document is, generally NLTK documents are big, so it will take much time. So you have to just look up to that, and you can just, there are multiple things in NLTK library, but for now you can just start your work. Like basic things are these only. I generally use these things only in my projects and all, but apart from that, if you need anything like post tagging or whatever thing, there are many things in NLTK. You can just Google it easily, but rarely people use that because when they go into advanced state, like if you are learning these things are enough, just start with it. Won't like you won't feel like you have left something. So that's for now. And yeah, thanks. If you liked it, please subscribe and like my channel.